H7 LED bulb by Focus-IK is a powerhouse of lighting efficiency, boasting an impressive 24000 lumens of brightness. Designed for optimal performance, this bulb is suitable for various auto parts positions in the front of your vehicle. With a color range of H11/H8/H9/H16, it offers versatility to cater to different lighting needs. Manufactured by Optoelectronic Co-LED, this bulb is a reliable choice for those seeking longevity, with an operating life of up to 50000 hours. The Model R3 bulb is crafted from durable aviation aluminum, ensuring durability and resilience to various conditions. At a weight of 13.4 ounces and dimensions of 6.3 inches, 5.12 inches, 2.72 inches, this H11 LED bulb is compact yet powerful. The 12 volts voltage requirement makes it compatible with a wide range of vehicles, providing a hassle-free installation process. Overall, the Focus-IK H11 LED bulb stands out for its exceptional brightness, long operational life, and sturdy construction.
9005 LED bulb combo 2024 upgrade H8/H9 HB3 is a top-tier lighting solution that offers exceptional performance and reliability. As part of Lasfit's high-quality product line, this LED bulb combo exceeds expectations in every aspect. With a remarkable brightness of 14000 lumens and a wattage of 140 watts, the illumination provided by these bulbs is unparalleled. Whether you're driving in challenging conditions or simply seeking enhanced visibility, the power and clarity of the Lasfit bulbs ensure a safe and comfortable driving experience. The long operating life of 30000 hours guarantees durability and long-term usage without frequent replacements. This feature not only saves you time and effort, but also proves cost-effective in the long run. Additionally, the compact dimensions of 7.13 inches, 4.72 inches, 1.93 inches, and an item weight of just 9.1 ounces make installation hassle-free and convenient. As a reputable brand, Lasfit has consistently
Torch Beam 9005/HB3H11/H8 LED bulbs offer exceptional brightness, with a remarkable output of 16,000 lumens providing superior illumination on the road. Ideal for the front auto part position, these bulbs are designed with precision to ensure optimal performance. With a brightness of 40000 lumens, these bulbs deliver a powerful white light that enhances visibility and safety during nighttime driving. The high-quality T2 bulb shape ensures a focused beam pattern, effectively lighting up the road ahead. Manufactured by Torchbeam, a reputable brand known for its innovative lighting solutions, these bulbs are built to last. With an operating life of 50,000 hours, you can rely on the durability and longevity of the Torchbeam T2 bulbs. The compact design of these bulbs makes them easy to install, providing a hassle-free upgrade to your vehicle's lighting system. The 12.6 ounces weight and compact dimensions of 5.79 inches, 5.59 inches, 3.23 inches ensure compatibility with a wide range.
9005 H11 LED headlight bulbs are a top-tier choice for enhancing your vehicle's lighting performance. Developed by Nylite, a renowned brand in the automotive industry, these headlight bulbs offer a perfect blend of quality and functionality. Equipped with advanced LED technology, these bulbs emit a bright white light that significantly improves visibility on the road, ensuring a safer driving experience for you and other motorists. The 12 volts voltage requirement makes them compatible with most standard vehicles, while the specific use for headlights makes them a direct and efficient replacement option. Designed with precision, the Nylite 9005 H11 LED headlight bulbs are crafted to last. The durable construction and sleek chrome exterior not only add a touch of style to your vehicle, but also guarantee long-term performance. Weighing just 1.04 pounds, these bulbs are lightweight and easy to handle during installation. The package dimensions of 6.3 inches, 5.47 inches, 3.1.
2024 upgraded H7 bulb by Terer is a top-of-the-line product designed to enhance your lighting experience. With a remarkable 30000 lumen brightness, this bulb delivers exceptional illumination for various applications. The white color output adds a modern touch to your lighting setup. Crafted for projector light-specific uses, this bulb ensures optimal performance with a voltage of 12 volts DC, and auto part position suitable for front-inner installation. The extended operating life of 60000 hours guarantees durable and reliable lighting for an extended period. Terer, a trusted brand in the industry, manufactures this H7 model with precision and efficiency. Weighing just 5.6 ounces, this bulb is lightweight and easy to handle. The compact package dimensions of 5.04 inches, 4.84 inches, 2.52 inches make it convenient for installation in various settings. The exterior sports a brushed finish, adding a touch of elegance to the bulb. The manufacturer part number TH